Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
All, how are you?
Good morning. I'm tired.
Okay. So, which lesson we are learning now? We are learning skeleton, the next organs in our body. Uh, I think there are a lot of disturbance. Let me admit,
Ma'am,
mute everyone so we can avoid all kinds of disturbance. Now the class is complete silence. So let us continue, children. Give me a thumbs up. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Shravan, Naila, Darius, Ayan, give me a thumbs up. Okay. Shipna, listen. Shabari, give me a thumbs up. Irene, Anay, Zayan, Kartike, Raika, Ara. Okay, let us continue. So now we are learning about the new lesson, skeletal system. Skeletal system. Come on, repeat after me. I'll look into your lip movement. Skeletal. Skeletal system. Very good, very good. One more time. Skeletal system. All the bonds in our body, all the bonds in our body together make up the skeletal system. There are 206 bonds in our body. At the time of birth, it's around 300 bonds in our body. As we grow, some bonds, some small bonds fuse and join. An adult human being have 206 bonds in their body. Got it? All the bonds in our body together make up the skeletal system. The bonds give shape. The bonds actually for our body, for our face, the bonds give shape. Just imagine if we don't have bonds, without the bonds, do we look so beautiful? Never, never. Actually, the facial bonds give us the proper shape to our face, and our face look more beautiful, right? So our bonds decide, the bonds give shape to our body, our face, and support to the body also. How it is support? It protect all the soft organs inside our body. The bonds protect all the soft internal organs. We have learned a lot of small soft organs inside our body in our previous lesson. Organ system. We learned about heart, lungs, then brain, kidneys. There are many organs we learned in our previous lesson. Many organs inside our body. All those organs, if we hit on our chest, if anything happened to our heart, no, nothing will happen. If it is a small hit, nothing will happen. It is protected inside the bonds. We will come to all those points today. Got it? Oh, nothing will happen to if somebody hit on our head. It's a small hit, no problem. Uh, but it it is too heavy. Any accidents, it will affect. So if it is a small hit, no problem. Nothing will happen to our heart or lungs. Got it? All those soft organs are protected inside our body by the bonds. Got it, children? The bonds, all the soft organs are protected inside our body so safely. And bonds give shape and support to the body. Okay. And we can stand, we can walk. Come on, give me a cute smile. We can stand, walk, move only because of our bonds. Yes, muscles also help us. So bones and muscles help us to move. The bonds help us to. Ayan, listen to class. What are you doing? Playing there. I'm not asking you to sharpen the pencil. Keep it there. Here we are not going to write anything. We are just listening the new lesson. Children, you have to keep your hands properly and sit straight in the class. Okay, here let me continue. Our bonds help us to stand, walk, move. Okay. And muscles, bonds and muscles also help us to move. So there are, let me repeat once again. At the time of birth, it's around 300 bonds in our body. As we grow, some bonds fuse and join. Hmm? An adult human being have only 206 bonds in their body. An adult human being have only 206 bonds. Got it? The bonds, these 206 bonds joined together. These bonds joined together to make up which organ system? Skeletal system. Skeletal system. Got it? The bonds give shape and support to the body. We can stand, we can walk, we can move only because of our bonds. Okay. And today we are going to learn, and there are some joints. Joints, you know what are the joints? Are places where two bones meet. Example, knee, elbow. You know, this is one of our joint. Okay, elbow. Where the two bones meet, joints. All of you touch your knee. Krishna, what are you doing? Keep your book there. Okay, don't look at the books. Now listen the class. You are not supposed to look at your textbook or workbook. Look towards me. So all of you touch your knee. Touch your knee. Ayan, touch your knee. Knee. Not elbow. Devananda, that is your, no. Knee. On your leg. Anay is showing correctly. Anay. Show to everyone. Where is your knee? Yes. Lift your leg. Then. Show me your knee. Okay. Okay, so nice to see. Okay. So where the two bonds meet together, that is our joints. Okay. Now let us be back to the lesson. So we are learning the skeletal system. The skeletal system. All the bonds in our body together make up which organ system, children? All the bonds, the hard part in our body. Ooh, hold your wrist, everybody. The hard part in your body. Yes, all the bonds together make up which organ system? What is the name of the organ system? What's the name of the organ system? Come on, loudly. Be louder, come on. Skeletal system, be louder. Gauri Nanda unmute, Deva unmute.
Skeletal system.
Skeletal system. Krishna unmute, Adiga unmute. Hannah unmute. Advaita unmute. Irene unmute.
Skeletal
But
system.
don't make noise. Okay. All the bonds are joined together to make up which organ system? Skeletal system. An adult human being have how many bonds in their body? 206. Very good. And at the time of birth, it's around how many bonds? At the time of birth.
300.
Very good. So today we are moving to the important parts of the skeletal system. And we all know that skeletal system helps them move, can walk,
Bones.
can stand. Here ma'am is going to explain the important parts of the skeletal system. The first important part of the skeletal system, I will show you the pictures also. The first important part of the skeletal system, bones in the head. Bones in the head form the skull. Skull.
Skull.
Repeat everyone, skull.
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 Bones in the head. Bones in the head. Touch your head. What is this?
Skull.
Skull. Which organ is protected inside the skull?
Brain.
Exactly. Wow. Excellent answer. Which organ is protected inside the skull?
Brain.
Very good, very good. All of you touch your skull. Yes. Bones in our head. Bones in the head. Bones in the head form the skull. Bones in the head form the skull. Touch your skull. Everybody touch your skull. Bones in the head. Shravan, sit straight. Shravan. Shravan.
Skull.
Keep your hands properly. Touch your skull. Shravan Shiva. Touch your skull. Yes. Which organ is protected inside the
Brain.
brain? Very good. Very good. Very good. Bones in the head form the skull.
Brain.
Okay. Which organ is protected inside the skull?
Brain.
Brain. Bones in the head. What is the name of the bones in our head? Form the
From the
skull. 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 Skull.
skull.
Skull.
Skull.
Now ma'am is going to say the next important part of the skeletal system, bones around the chest. Bones around the chest. Around the chest. Who's talking?
The chest.
Shravan, are you talking? Who's talking in Malayalam there? I can hear you very well. Please stop it and listen to class. Bones around the chest form the ribs. Ribs. Repeat everyone. Ribs. 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 The ribs join in the front and the back. Ribs join in the front and the back. And we can call them as to form a rib cage. What is here, children? Rib cage. Rib cage. You know what are the organs protected inside the rib cage? Heart and the lungs. Heart and the lungs. Okay. What are the organs protected inside the rib cage? Heart and the lungs. All of you touch your rib cage. Show me your rib cage. Okay. Okay. And okay. What are the organs protected in the rib cage? Heart and the lungs. What are the organs protected inside the rib cage? Heart and the lungs. Okay. Now, so the important parts of the skeletal system, the head bone. Bones in the head. What is the name of the bones in our head? Skull. 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 Bones in our head?
Skull.
Skull. Bones around our chest? Rib cage. Bones around our chest? Rib cage. Everybody repeat after me. Everybody. Bones around our chest?
Rib
Rib cage. Bones around our chest?
cage.
The next important part of the skeletal system, come on. There are many small bones joined like a rod-like structure. Joined as a rod-like structure. It connects from the neck to the lower back of the body. Come on, look at the children, all of you. Keep your finger here. From your neck. It starts from your neck. Okay. Keep your hand here. Okay. To the lower back of our body. It will start from the back side of Advaid.
Yes, ma'am.
Advaid, touch. Touch the back side of your neck. To the lower back of the body. To the lower back of the body. The other hand, keep the lower back of the body. One hand, you keep it here. Krishna, listen and do it. Okay, right hand, you keep it here. The back side of your neck. And the left hand, the lower back of your body. That is our backbone. That is our backbone. That is our backbone. Come on, backbone. Oh, what is the another name of the backbone? Vertebrae. Vertebrae. Come on, repeat. Vertebrae. Vertebrae. Come on, repeat. Vertebrae. 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 Okay, so all of you know, all of you touch your skull. Touch your skull. Touch your rib cage. Touch your backbone. Vertebrae. Yes. And you want to see the pictures?
Yes.
I will share the screen.
Yes.
I will show you the skull. Okay. Can you see the bot?
Yes.
This is our skull. This is our skull. Yes. Skull. Skull. See the picture?
Yes.
So scary, right? So scary.
And he said face that
What Advait?
face.
Advait, look at the Advait, mute your audio. Okay. Advait, mute your audio. Okay, don't unmute. So listen, this is the picture of our skull. Okay, which organ is protected inside the skull? Which organ is protected inside the skull? Which organ is protected inside our skull? Brain. Which organ is protected inside the skull? Brain. Got it?
Yes.
So, bones in our head form the skull. Bones in our head form the skull. Next, ma'am is going to show the picture of our rib cage. You want to see the picture of rib cage?
Yes.
Come on, look at the board. Okay, it's coming. Okay, listen, see this image. This is our rib cage. Rib cage. What are the organs protected inside the rib cage?
Heart and lungs.
Heart, Heart, our heart, and the lungs,
Lungs.
Yes. What are the organs? For the next class. So, what are the organs protected inside the rib cage, children?
Heart and lungs.
See the structure, the shape of our rib cage. It is just like a cage, you know. Huh? Okay. The bones around our chest. All of you touch your chest. Yes. Touch your chest. It's around our chest. Form the ribs. The ribs join in front. Ribs join in front and the back. Front and the back. Got it, all of you?
Yes.
Now you want want to see the picture of backbone?
Yes. 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 Hmm.
Yes, this is our backbone. Look at the image, children. It starts from our neck to the, see, it starts from our neck to the lower back of our body. This is our backbone. Got it? What is this,
Yes.
children?
Backbone.
What is the another name of backbone? Vertebrae. Come on, repeat after me.
Vertebrae.
Vertebrae. What is the another name of backbone?
Vertebrae.
Vertebrae. Okay. It is just the many small bones. You can see many small bones. See, many small bones joined. See, many small bones you can see here. The picture is clear to you, children?
Yes.
And it is just like a road-like structure. It is a
Roll
road-like
like
structure. Got it? It starts from our neck to the lower back of the body. Many small bones joined. Okay.
Yes.
Road-like structure, our backbone.
Yes.
Got it, all of you?
Yes.
It also called vertebrae. I will show you another picture of the backbone. See.
Okay, ma'am. Beep, beep. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Wait. Here, ma'am is going to show another picture of our backbone. See the
My
backbone,
backbone.
vertebrae. See,
Here.
it starts from our neck to the lower back of the body. Yes. Got it?
Yes.
It starts from the neck to the lower
Lower
body.
body.
So, got it? You want to see
Yes.
once again all the pictures?
Yes. Yes.
Look at the board. Okay, what is this, children?
Skull.
Very good, very good. Which organ is protected inside the skull?
Brain.
Brain. Very good, very good, very good. Then, next picture. Okay. What is this, children?
Huh? Rib cage.
Rib cage. What are the organs protected inside the rib cage?
Heart and lungs.
Heart and the
Heart and
lungs.
lungs.
Okay. It is joined to the front and the back.
Back.
See?
Back.
Just like a cage. So, see
Cage.
this?
Here,
Joined to the front and the back. Okay. Now we will move to the next picture. What is this, children? What is this?
Backbone.
Backbone. Many small bones joined like a road-like structure. Okay.
Yes.
It
Yes.
starts from the neck to the lower back of our body.
Body.
What is this, children? What is this? Backbone. What is another name of backbone? Vertebrae. What is another name of backbone?
Vertebrae.
Vertebrae. So here ma'am is going to stop share. I hope today's lesson is, all of you understood today's lesson?
Yes.
Anyway, next day I will show you videos. Okay?
Yes. 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 Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Show you
ma'am.
some videos in our next class. Skeletal system videos I will show you. Got
Yes.
it, children?
Yes.
Then give me the answer. Here ma'am is going to ask some questions to you. Bones in the head form the
Skull.
Skull. Bones in the head. Bones in the head. Form the
Skull.
okay. Bones around our chest. Around our chest.
Ribcage.
Rib cage. What are the organs protected inside the rib cage?
Heart and lungs.
Heart and the lungs. Very good. Very good. And many small bones joined and together, and it is just like a rod-like structure. It starts from the neck to the lower back of the body. What is that?
Backbone.
Backbone. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So the skeletal system is made up of bones. Bones. Very good. Very good. The skeletal system is made up of
Bones.
What are the three important parts of the skeletal system? Take your fingers and say. Take your fingers and say. What are the three important parts of the skeletal system? Number one. Touch and say. Skull. Yes. Number two. Rib cage. Number three.
Backbone.
Excellent. Clap for yourself, my little ones. Everybody clap for yourself. Give me a cute smile. So once again, ma'am is asking the questions to you. Bones in our head form the... What is this? Skull. Exactly. Bones around our chest. Rib cage. And the many small bones joined like a rod-like structure. Start from backbone. What is the another name of backbone? Come on, come on. Vertebrae. Come on, repeat everyone. Okay, today's our time is over. See, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Whatever you want to try to study the spellings, I will send through the WhatsApp, okay?
Yes.
Bye-bye. Love you all.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Bye,
Give me a cute smile.
ma'am. Thank you.
I love you, like you. Take care. Take care.
Bye. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.